That shouldn't be having to press that hard to do that. As you can see, needs a new edge. How are we going to fix that edge? You see, we're going to try the new chisel sharpener from Screwfix. This thing. It's an oil stone, never used one. That's the bit you put your chisel in, get the angle right. A little bit of oil. Instructions. So that's definitely the rougher bit because it's rough, and that's definitely the bit to get that fine sharp edge on. Let's get to it. Now, I've put it in the device. There's little grooves in here. Can you see that? Yeah, of course you can. Sit it in, and then I think you just oil that up. Make it look pretty. Let's give it a go. Quite important, this bit. The bit sticking out the end needs to be 40mm, so the chisel, so you can see, hopefully you can see, I've marked out with a pencil for 40mm. Then I've got another one of 30mm, because that's what it says on the next bit on the instructions. I've had to read them this time, so I don't really want to mess these up. Good chisels! To secure it to the bench, so I've just put it in the vise. Question is, how much oil do you put on? What kind of oil is it? What? Yes, I cheated a bit there because the angle on it was just far too steep. Look at that. See what difference this does. It's looking sharper and it's looking cleaner. That's good enough. Turn the stone round. See how sharp we can get it, because that feels very dull. Right, just double check the instructions. The reason why you got the 30mm bit is because once you've getting to this stage, you reduce it to the 30mm. That obviously has something to do with the angle. Look how sexy that is there. It's lovely. Looking good, isn't it? Definitely feeling sharper. Right. We'll see how sharp that's become. I'll probably get it sharper. But for the sake of this video, we'll see if just the initial first process has worked. First test being this. Sharp, we've got to cut it like a knife. That's cutting a lot nicer there, isn't it? I mean, it was $1.99 that, come to think of it, because it was a £15 voucher on Screwfix. And if you're quick enough and watch this video, I think it's valid until the 2nd or something like that. £15 minimum spend, £15 and a penny. That was $16.99, so it cost next to out. So if you want to sharpen your chisels for next to out, take advantage of that offer. Not that I'm sponsored by them, wish I was, because I'd have loads of tools The one thing you can do to help us get buy more tools and just make them worse is subscribe. Yes, subscribe and like the video. Just watch it all the way through. See you again.